guys, welcome once more. Today I'm taking you to the Lidl. We're going grocery shopping. It's one of these rainy days again in Amsterdam. It's summer now, but the sun is staying far away. So what I can do is we're going to go to the Lidl and I'll show you what they have right now. They have the Japanese weeks, also in combination with the Caribbean weeks, and then we can look at products. What I know is that the Lidl has a different set of groceries depending on the country that they're in. Let's have a quick look around. The Pringles were on discount this week with flavors like hot flaming cheese, tzatziki, Texas barbecue, and cheese onion. The Lidl, as some of you may know, also stands out with their quality fruit and vegetables. They also have a great bakery. I didn't film that because it was a mess in the afternoon. It's best you buy your breads and baked treats in the morning. Then I walked a little bit further, checking out which other quality products they were selling. One thing I'm also very pleased about is the vegetarian products that the Lidl has. Also, if you're hosting people for tapas, they have a lot of great choices. Here are the vegetarian items. Most of the time what I do is buy the chicken pieces. I bake them in soy sauce. Lidl always had some good wines. I don't know where they are produced, but they're banging. Then we see the pisang goreng, that's plantain in dough. We eat them in Suriname with the peanut sauce. Very delicious. Should you go to the Lidl, you're in the Netherlands, please get them. They also have lovely pancakes in the taste choco banana. I didn't buy those, but what I did buy was the combination banana and coconut. I still haven't tried them, but I'm going to buy them very soon. So during the Japanese week, I'm seeing a lot of new products I haven't tried yet. What I did was buy the vegetarian options for the gyoza. I think those are dumplings. I feel like I was really sleeping on Lidl. I saw a lot of new products I have yet to try, like this ahorn syrup for my pancakes. I don't really use syrup because I already put a little bit of sugar in my pancake batter when I prepare them. Then we have the barbecue sauce. I didn't buy them, but it's worth trying if you. I also got the sesame oil. That's a must if you like making stir-fried noodles, chow mein. Sesame oil gives it that delicious kick. For my people who love sushi, you already know wasabi has this like peppery taste, really sharp. Well, they have wasabi flavored chips at the Lidl right now, so run and get them. Then we have the breadcrumbs for your prawns, the bamboo chopsticks for sautés, a big box of sesame oil again. Then I also saw coconut bites. For some reason, I think the Lidl thinks that coconut is truly Caribbean. That gives the Caribbean feel. So everything Caribbean had the coconut, and we have the wasabi flavored ice creams, a lot of wasabi products. I think wasabi is like really Japanish, and the ginger lemon ice cream. They also had a lot of mochis. I have never tasted mochi. I should give it a try, but for this time I didn't do it. They had the lime yuzu, they had some deep fried edamame pastry sticks, black sesame mochi. Well, I need to go again and buy some of these items to have a taste, and then I'll tell you what it was like exploring these new options. And we have the vegetarian snacks as a little also new for me. I didn't know that they had so much choice when it came to vegetarian options. Guys, what are you eating today? I'm eating Madras curry. Well, it's a package from the Albert Heijn. First you have a paprika, tomato, cauliflower, a red onion, and also pepper, lemon, coconut milk, and some curry paste. The only thing you need to include is put in the chicken that you want. I put in some smoked chicken breast fillet. Of course, I chopped all the vegetables and it was so delicious. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.